Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix payment revision needed on Amazon. First you have to update your payment method on Amazon because this happens when Amazon cannot deduct payment for active subscription like Amazon Prime. So to fix the issue, go to amazon.com and log into your account, then go to select on your profile and then select your payments, then select add a payment method. From here you can add FSA or HSA card, credit or debit cards, Amazon store card, personal checking accounts. So now if the issue persists or if you need assistance updating your payment method, then you have to contact Amazon customer support. After that you should be able to resolve this problem, and that's how you can fix a payment revision needed on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.